Hi everyone, I am back. Oh my god, it's been a hot minute since I've been on. I'm so sorry. Had some stuff. We've had some stuff. Blue's really busy. She's got school, work. She's taking like summer classes, which absolutely fine. And she started a new job. Well, she started back at the old job, but she's working more. I am going to do a little unboxing for you guys because our Toys R Us still has some stuff like on sale. There's still like half a store full of stuff, just not stuff I need. So I picked these up. I picked up the little How to Train Your Dragon mystery box and these cute little guys. These little guys are my mini Mixie cues. Don't know. They're so cute though. Look, little boxes, so cute. Yeah. So there's 5 of these, and then there's 4 of these. So, and I don't have the littles out here with me. They're in the house. I figured this would go a lot smoother. Because they're a little crazy. A little crazy. Hold on a second. I need a sharp shirt. Alright, here we go. Just use my little pliers here. That's how we do. They're trying so hard to get out here. I'm like, no. Alright, so in the little box, we get a little card. A little random card. Okay. And then little dragon dude. Look at a cute little dragon dude. Look, focus, dragon dude, focus. Yeah. Little dragon dude. Alright, I don't know what I'm going to do with little dragon dudes, but alright, so next little guy. And shout out to some of our subscribers. Hi guys, how y'all doing? Leave me a comment down below. And Mr. Travis, we have videos coming for you. Like I said, we're all kind of busy. Again, little card, little random card. And then look, I love these ones. They're like me, they're cute and chubby. Well, you know. Alright. So how are your guys' summers going? Like, I have literally like work and work basically going on. Oh look, this one is all weird. They didn't do it right. Lame. This is... Oh look, this one is toothless. And look at his little tail. He's got like the little thing on his tail. Oh, that's so awesome. Not bad. And these were originally $2.99. I got them for $1.20, I think. Which isn't bad. Like I said, our store here in Las Vegas is still going strong. It's a little ridiculous. Look at this guy. This guy is so cute. Boop, boop. Alright, last one. No duplicates. I only picked up 5. There were so many. If I had time, I would have got more. So, oh, we got a duplicate. We got a dupe. A little dupe. Look at this guy. Alright, so there's 2 of these. So, what I've been noticing on YouTube is everyone is doing giveaways. We haven't started doing giveaways yet because we don't get PR. We really don't have that many subscribers yet. Like I said, there's only 34 of you, and we love you all. I think most of you I know personally. Thank you for that, by the way. Some of you Blue knows personally. And here's the, we're going to start the little mix cues. And then originally they were $2.99. Again, I got them for like $1 something. Alright. And these ones come with like the little sheet to tell you which ones they are. The other ones didn't do that. The dragons didn't do that. So we don't know what they are. But, alright. Let's see. And then in the box we got a little pinky bag. No secrets given at all. Oh. Oh. That's... How do I even begin to describe what's going on right now? So there are these little people. And then... Okay, so there's that one. There was... What? Oh, and then that's like his little clothes. And then what is this? Oh, it's a little hat. Oh my god. Yeah, no, the kids are not getting these. They would eat them. Okay, so we're going to give him this little hat. There you go, little dude. Alright. Don't know. Alright, so let's see, which two do we get? We got... There's so many. I don't know. Meep. I don't know. I don't know which one we got. They're so confusing. I don't see her. I don't see her little outfit. I don't see her. Oh, white rabbit hat. So we got the white rabbit hat. Oh, we got the white rabbit. I'm so sorry. I put... Oh my god. This is that moment. Yes. Okay, so he's actually supposed to look like this. Alright, so I am going to pause.